Hey guys, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I wanted to come on and try out this new product from We Are Makers. It's called the Glue Squeeze. So I ordered this from their website. I'll link it down below. I'm not affiliated with them. I just wanted to, show you in case you're interested in this product too. I figured we would fill up the tubes together and try it out. So this is a new product and it supposedly makes gluing clean, precise, and effortless. And it comes with 3 different tubes with different tip sizes. So there's the fine, the medium, and the broad or wide or whatever. And I'm thinking it'll be somewhat similar to this, which is the My Sweet Petunia glue press. But this one is different because it comes with the tubes you fill up. The other one, you just add the Nouveau Deluxe adhesive. So I thought this might be good for different kinds of glue. So I printed the instructions off from their website because they're not really on here. And I thought I'd try it with 2 kinds of glue. I'm going to use art glitter glue because I've had this like 8-ounce bottle for a long time. And I used to just kind of transfer it into separate bottles, but I figured I'll try it in there and I'll use the fine one for that. And then this, I'm going to try Fabri-Tac. I think probably this will work best in the widest tip. So we'll just try those 2 today. So I'm going to open this and I'll be right back. That was a chore to open, but it does come with instructions. They were just kind of hiding in there, but I'll just go with the ones I printed out since it's flat. And if you'll notice on the back, it says Nicole Craft Brands, and they're the company that bought American Craft. So it's nice to see that they're still releasing American Craft branded things. We weren't sure if that was going to happen. So yeah, that's good. It has a QR code if you want to go to the website directly from there. So I'm just going to move the packaging out of the way. So this is what it looks like. It's got the handle. It describes what all the parts are here. So, okay, first step is fill the syringe. Screw the drive rod. Well, first we have to, screw the drive rod into the plunger disc. Okay, so I'm going to move aside. Which was the smallest one? This is the smallest, medium, large. So we're going to move the medium one away. Let's try it with the art glitter glue first. So you screw the drive rod into the plunger disc. Okay, so that's screwed in there. This is the drive rod. Okay, pull the rod release as you pull back the drive rod to remove the plunger disc. Okay, so it tells you all these things here. The rod release is this thingy on the back. So you push it as you pull back the drive rod. To remove the plunger disc. Oh, I see. That's the plunger disc. Okay. And then I see. And then you just take it off. Okay. So that's easy enough. So this is the syringe. Fill the syringe with your favorite craft glue, leaving about 1 inch of space. Avoid thick pastes or fast drying super glues. Okay, so this is the part that I was worried about. So it is a nice big opening. I did get funnels from Hobby Lobby, but these might be more trouble than they're worth because it'll get like clogged in there. So I'm just going to do it without the funnels. Let's just throw caution to the wind. Okay, so it says leave 1 inch of space. I brought my wipes over just in case. Okay, so we've got our glue. All right, this is going better than I thought. I'm going to leave 1 inch of space, maybe a little more, but better to be safe than sorry. Okay, I'll put the glue top back on. All right, so we've done that. We are past step 3. Step 4, insert the syringe tabs into the slot on the applicator tool and rotate 90 degrees to lock. All right, let me look at this again. I just want to make sure that I don't spill it. Syringe tabs. Okay, these are the syringe tabs into the slot on the applicator tool. So this is the applicator tool. So, okay, just gonna do it like this. Okay, and then rotate 90. So you rotate it so it goes like that. Okay, that was easy enough. Just turn it to hook it into place. uncap the silicone cap from the tip and clip it onto the storage knob. The storage knob. Oh, okay. So that's like that. It does look like a caulk gun. Somebody mentioned that in my haul video. So yeah, I totally agree. So this is the fine tip. See how fine that is? This is like, if we get the My Sweet Petunia one out, see it's about, the We Are Memory Key or We Are Makers one looks a little bit thinner, if you could see that. And then step 6, gently squeeze the trigger to apply a line of glue. Okie doke. So I've got a piece of craft paper since it's darker. So we're going to squeeze our trigger here and try it out. Ooh, look at that. And you have to keep squeezing it. Oh, that's nice. Like that. And you let go. It's still dripping. Release the trigger to stop the glue. Gently pull back on the drive rod to stop any drip. So this is a drive rod. All right, I just want to interrupt myself here. This is after I filmed this video. I went on the We Are Makers website and looked at their tips, and they said to get it to stop dripping, I'm just going to like squeeze this now. So you do have to pull back on the drive rod, but you also have to press this little thing in at the same time. So I'm doing that, and that makes it pull back and reduce the pressure. There's still going to be that last drip there, but that definitely stops the dripping. So I just wanted to insert that here so you would see the correct way to do it. Thank you. So I wiped the tip off with my baby wipe and then put the cap back on. All right, so sorry, I was just unscrewing this from the, what do you call this part? The applicator tool. All right, so this is the, I'll have to label it. So this is the art glitter glue. So I'm going to move that over. And now we'll try it with Fabri-Tac. Let me move this so I don't have glue all over the place. So I'm screwing on the medium size, or no, the large size one. Just like we did with the finer tip. And while I'm here, I want to look at the medium size and see if that's similar to the, no, that's still wider than the My Sweet Petunia one, or yeah, so yeah, it's still a little bit wider, I think. Okay, so anyway, we're doing the large one. So I screwed that on. Push this to remove. Oh, okay. Guess that's how it works. Okay, so that just goes like that. So I've got the syringe off. And I'm going to take my Fabri-Tac. Okay, so we're going to fill this up with Fabri-Tac. All right, so I'm going to leave about 1 inch or more. Put the cap back on. Okay, fill the syringe, insert the syringe tabs. Okay, sorry, I just needed 2 hands, so I had to put that down. Okay, so we're going to try this again. Put that in there and twist. So it's really, I mean, it's pretty intuitive. Oops. Okay, and then you take the top off. It's nice it has this little place to put it so it doesn't get in your way. And look, the glue is already coming out. That's not great. I mean, it comes out really easily, that's for sure. Right? But it's still coming when I stop. Okay, it says to pull the drive rod back to get it to stop, but it's not stopping. All right, so let's get the top back on there. So I love the idea. I don't know, I'll just have to figure out how to stop the dripping if there is a way. So I'm going to look on their website. You can see I used a lot of glue here, so I think it goes through glue pretty quickly. So that's it for my little demo of the We Are Makers glue squeeze. If you have any questions, let me know. I don't know if I can answer them, but I will try. All right, you guys, I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.